Okay, so Helium 10 is a software that helps Amazon FBA sellers with things like product research and finding winning products. And after spending way too much time trying to come up with product ideas for my own business, most of which didn't even work out, I finally decided to give Helium 10 a try. And so I've been using it for about a year now, just to see if it actually makes the process easier and helps launch products that actually do well. So in this video, I'll walk you through my experience with Helium 10, how I used the tools, the cost, and what I personally liked and didn't like. The goal is to help you figure out whether or not this is something worth trying out for your Amazon business. Now, if you do decide to test out Helium 10 for yourself, I'll include a link in the description below for that. Just use the code OPTIMIZE10 at checkout to get 10% off of all their plans forever. So first I want to talk about what Helium 10 is. Helium 10 launched in 2015 and has become one of the most trusted tools for Amazon sellers. It's basically a set of tools designed for Amazon FBA sellers that help you every step of the process, from finding profitable products to optimizing listings and managing inventory. Everything is laid out clearly with step-by-step guidance for each tool, so even if you're new to selling on Amazon, you won't feel confused. Now let's talk about how Helium 10 actually works to grow your Amazon business. So basically, when you sign up for one of their plans, you get access to a full set of tools, whether you're looking for product ideas, researching keywords, or managing your listings. I would recommend that you start with Black Box, which is also what I personally started with, and is their main product research tool, because with thousands of products to search through, it could take hours to find a winning product. But Black Box makes it simple to narrow down ideas by letting you set filters like price and competition. For example, I was able to quickly find a product idea in the kitchen category that had constant demand, but also wasn't too popular, which ended up selling way better than I expected. It's been giving me better results than some of the ideas I had spent weeks researching on my own. Then, once you have a good product idea, you can use X-Ray, which is part of their Chrome extension, and it'll give you information like how much revenue other sellers are making, the number of reviews, and whether the product is worth pursuing from the analytics you received. For me, X-Ray helped me avoid wasting money on products that looked good on the surface, but didn't have real potential. Now, there are also keyword tools like Cerebro and Magnet. Cerebro helps you understand what your competitors are doing by putting in their product ASIN, which is basically a unique ID number for every product on Amazon, and it'll show you the keywords that they're ranking for, and data like search volume and competition. Then Magnet helps you come up with new keyword ideas to optimize your listings. And as I mentioned earlier, when I was selling that kitchen product, I found a keyword I hadn't thought of, which ended up bringing in a lot of traffic to my listing. Besides that, Scribbles is useful for making your product listing better, which is basically how your product shows up to customers on Amazon. It's things like the title, bullet points, and description. And having a good listing is very important because it helps people actually find your product in search results and makes them more likely to want to buy it. Then with a listings builder tool, you can quickly organize your keywords and create a listing that's optimized for SEO without making it overly complicated. It's just a great way to get everything right from the start so you're not stuck fixing it later. Plus, tracking sales and monitoring margins with a profits tool makes it easier to understand how your products are performing. And if you're planning for seasonal demand, Trendster can help. It points out trends early on so you can stock up and be better prepared for busier times, like the holidays, for example. These tools make it easier to manage your business and stay ahead of changes in the market. Like last year, I ran out of stock during the holidays and missed out on so many potential sales. But now with Trendster, I can see demand early on and make sure to stock up. Of course, there are a ton of other tools that can definitely be helpful to you, but these were the ones that helped me the most as a beginner and might be able to help you too. That said, Helium 10 offers great resources to help you along the way. So if you ever get stuck, they have tutorials, guides, and even a private Facebook group where you can connect with other Amazon sellers. It's a great place to ask questions, share experiences, and learn from others who are also using the platform. Alright, so that's all well and good, but how much does it all cost? Helium 10 has several subscription options. For starters, they have the free plan, so you can test out their tools before committing, but it does of course come with limited access to a lot of their key features. Next, they have the starter plan, which costs about $50 per month and is perfect for beginners. Then the platinum plan is their most popular option and costs about $100 per month. It's the one that I actually use and is also great for beginners who are just starting their business, or people looking to grow their business but have never tried a service like Helium 10, or even people who have tried similar services but want something with more tools and features. And lastly, for more advanced sellers, there's the Diamond plan at $280 per month, which includes extras like multi-user accounts and detailed analytics. And with all the plans, if you choose annual billing, you can save even more. Now, there are also add-ons at an extra cost, like Helium 10 ads for managing PPC campaigns, Market Tracker 360 for in-depth market analysis, and the Elite option, which includes advanced training and access to a private community for top sellers. And again, if at this point you're really considering trying it out, I'll include a link in the description below for that. Just use the code OPTIMIZE10 at checkout to get 10% off of all their plans forever. Now, while Helium 10 is very useful, like just about every product or service, or really just about anything, it's not perfect. For example, there is definitely a learning curve. With so many features and so much information, it can feel like a lot at first. I mean, when I first started using Helium 10, I was a bit confused. There were so many tools, and I didn't know where to begin. What really helped me though was starting simple. Instead of getting into everything all at once, I focused on just a couple of tools, like Black Box and X-Ray, and slowly worked my way up. Their tutorials also helped me figure things out. Just be prepared to invest some of your time, at least at first, into learning the platform to get the most out of it. Another thing to keep in mind is that some of Helium 10's advanced features like Market Tracker 360 or Helium 10 ads aren't included in the regular plans. They're add-ons that you have to pay extra for. So it can be a bit frustrating to pay extra for specific tools, but if you're looking for features like detailed market insights or help managing your PPC campaigns, they might be worth it. It just depends on what your business needs. So the big question is, would I recommend Helium 10? Absolutely. If you're serious about selling on Amazon or even just starting out, it's a tool that can really help you with a lot, with things like finding products, optimizing listings, and even researching keywords. Helium 10 offers a lot of tools like Black Box, which helps you find product ideas, Cerebro and Magnet for keyword research, and Scribbles for improving your listings by organizing keywords into SEO-friendly titles, bullet points, and descriptions. I think that they really give you everything that you need in one place, and can in turn save you a ton of time and headache doing all this work yourself. So whether you're just starting your Amazon business and want a tool that will make the process easier, or you're already established and looking to grow with better insights and resources, I would definitely recommend giving Helium 10 a try. I'm so thankful I found them because they've personally not only helped me, but have also saved me so much time that I used to spend doing all this work manually. They've been a great investment for me, and so I highly recommend them. And by the way, if you do end up trying it for yourself, please let me know what your experience was like by leaving a comment down in the description if you can remember by then. And just to remind you one more time, I'll drop my discounted link in the description down below. Just hit the link and use the code OPTIMIZE10 at checkout to get 10% off of all their plans forever. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this one. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.